just going to quickly take this opportunity to finish off my pet hate series, which is a bit behind. The one I'm probably not going to do one on is mobile phones, and I think that should really go without saying that it's a pet hate. But this is actually probably one of my biggest pet hates now that I think about things and what I've seen over the years, and it's littering. Rosie and I, we went feather picking on a road, very quiet road, not too far from here, a couple of weeks ago. Found some beautiful peacock feathers. Rosie loves all that, and Rosie was noticing how much rubbish there was. She was getting really annoyed by it, and she was saying, "Dad, we've got to come back and clean up." So that's exactly what we've just done today. I think this is such a good thing. Again, this will lead into like my view on the cyclist video that was recently, in terms of the different examples that are being set.
Daddy!
Yeah.
That's a whole
Oh,
lot.
that's disgusting, isn't it?
I found some more, Dad.
Come on then, let's get it picked up.
This is so bad.
You're doing so well.
I see some right down
I'll
there.
get another bag to take with us, okay? Oh,
Yeah.
I think I only bought one bin bag, annoyingly.
Oh, dang it. I see some McDonald's one.
That's disgusting, isn't it? That's just people throwing it out of their cars.
And a glass bottle.
Oh my goodness. Look, cans. That can really hurt wildlife, can't it?
And the glass can get
Yeah.
stuck of animals' paws.
That's right, darling.
Are you sure you know what you're doing?
No, I don't. I didn't buy one of those things you can use, so I've just
Dad,
got an old
are you
steering
sure
wheel.
you know what you're doing?
I never really know what I'm doing, darling. There we
This
go,
is
well
so
done.
bad.
So bad,
I
darling.
wonder why people do this.
Should we cross over? Right, should we look both ways? Can you hear any cars?
I don't hear cars, but I hear a tree.
Okay, there's clear left. Now we look right because we've got a bend. And let's go. Well done. Right, let's see if we can find some litter over here. Good girl. Well done.
Can I see how much we found?
Look at all that.
Oh
Look how
my.
close we are to the car.
Daddy!
Yeah. My quavers. You love quavers, didn't you? Well done. Rosie, turn around and look how close we are to our car. And look how much litter we've already got. That's disgusting, isn't it?
The litter is worse because that's bad.
Yeah.
See, at this point we turn around and we're not far from where we've parked our car, and you can see how much litter we've already. It's about half a bag already so far. It's a quiet road. I mean, we were there an hour and there was about 4 cars drove past us. We're teaching Rosie road safety as well, so we're walking on the right, and at the end we did cross over for a bend. As you know, that's one of my pet hates, pedestrians that don't feel they need to take any sort of responsibility for their own safety. Rosie, we're out, she's got a bright coloured outfit on. I've got high vis. We're monitoring the traffic. Yes, there wasn't much, but we're monitoring it, and we're putting ourselves in places that are visible. Very pleased that Rosie found a couple of beautiful feathers, so she got something out of it as well. But you can hear from her how she's genuinely like disgusted at all the litter and not very happy at it happening. And I'm so pleased that she kind of wanted to go and do this. It brought me onto a clip that I've been saving onto for a long time for the end of this pet hate series, and it was this one here. I'm driving along the A143 and you can see, first of all, a guy on the side picking litter. This makes my blood boil. It's not because he's picking litter, it's because he's having to do it. He's having to do it because of the sheer laziness of certain people that can't be bothered to take their litter to a bin, and they feel they have to chuck it out the window. And if you look, he's carrying a bag, then there's 1, 2 bags, then you get to his van that's parked up, and then you go in the other way, you've got 1, 2, and there's his mate going the other way. A disgusting amount of litter in the space of time. Doesn't matter whether that's been left a couple of years, it's a disgusting amount of litter. Interesting, like Highways England, I was looking at the website and it's estimated around 3 million animals a year are killed during litter. I'm certainly not like a massive naturist or anything like that, but I am definitely more swinging that way than against it, I would say. It makes me angry when I sort of hear figures like that. Rule 147, of course, it is illegal to chuck stuff from your car, cigarette ends, anything like that. You will be fined if you're seen to do it. If I see it on a dash cam, I'm 100% reporting it because I just think it's disgusting. Those people picking litter up on the side of the road, they're on an A road, their life is in danger. You just take one person that's not paying enough attention. Pet hate that I'm not doing about my mobile phones, right? A11, this little creature here, and she killed a motorcyclist because she was too busy trying to take a picture of her tongue stud. That's someone that didn't get home to their family because of that. And think about this person here having to pick up our litter. They're putting themselves in the danger there, aren't they? And again, all it takes is one little Herbert who thinks they're cool enough to use their mobile phone while they drive, and now you've got a situation where, again, potentially someone's not going home to their family. It's something they're thinking about, really, but it's the sort of stuff that unfortunately goes on. Yeah, so littering, I mean, like, I think it's interesting. I think the fines could be increased, 150 at the moment. It did get increased, I think it was 2019, but yeah, I think that there could be more. There was one council that was upping it to 500. I can't remember where that was. But is it enough? Is it enough? Are we enforcing it enough? I mean, on a quiet road like me and Rosie were on, I can't see really, you know, you don't really want cameras everywhere and all that sort of stuff. I can't see how you're going to particularly enforce that. So it's about education, isn't it? About, like Rosie, the first time we went, she's obviously been educated about it in school, and we talk about it. Because when she saw the rubbish, she was like, this is bad for nature straight away, you know. Brilliant. Great stuff. That's education. That's going to have a lasting impact on her. Unfortunately, there's so many people that just think, oh, it's not my problem. Hoof it out the window. Very, very poor. But yeah, are we doing enough? There are AI cameras, obviously, that they're talking about using for things like this. Is there anything else we could be doing, do you feel? Anyway, I'll leave you with Rosie's message. Well, Rosie Posey, mission success. You've got some feathers. You've got some Crispies now. You're all happy. What are you going to do with that packet of litter? Are you going to throw it out the car window?
No, because we just went littering.
I know, yeah.
Because my legs are tired.
Didn't go littering, we went litter picking. And then, are we going to put that in the bin when we get home? Good girl. That's the message we want to spread, isn't it?
Bye bye. I'm no granny.